It's a great way how they launch their boats from the beach by putting logs in front of the boat and they push it off. Quite a big boat with all their nets, it'll be way a fair bit. But you can see here they're about to launch the boat from the beach and then set their nets. You can see already some of the nets are already being pulled in on the beach, and the other boat's now about to be launched out to go out and set its nets. You'll have the boat, after it's set its nets, will bring the end part of the net to about 10 guys on the beach, and these 10 guys will have a quite a large heavy stick or a bit of timber which they wrap around the end of the rope, and they all walk backwards and slowly pull the net to shore. This takes them a good half an hour, maybe to 40 minutes to be able to bring the net in totally. Some of the longer nets I've seen take them up over nearly an hour to bring to shore to be able to check all their catch. Another big boat going out. More here, stingrays, some decent big prawns. Mainly the whole catch you'll see is big prawns. There's big, what they call jumbo prawns. They get a whole heap of tiger prawns, and then there's king prawns, and there's a lot of bycatch, as you can see as well. You can see there's a lot of sorting out that takes place. You've got the whole fishing village here. They all come down with their baskets and they're sorting out the different sizes of the prawns, the different type of prawns, and then the bycatch. Nothing goes to waste. So they sort all them out in the baskets, and then they all go off to market. You've got trucks that'll be waiting on down near the beach, and they load them in and off they go straight to the local fish market. I'm going to try and buy some nice big tiger prawns and then do them up with garlic butter and invite some friends over and cook them on our barbecue and enjoy just having a chew on some nice fresh big tiger prawns. How good's that? Now it's all ready, clean, just need some garlic butter and to be able to put it straight onto the barbie. Prawns ready to go. There we go. So, how good's that look? Yay! And it's smoking away. Do they smell good? Yeah, they look tasty. Alright, they're turning. They look divine. Is it good? Thumbs up?
Yummy!
Yummy! Done alright then. He's going back in for another bite. But Howard doesn't mind it, you don't mind it, do you?